In this video, I'm using all drugstore products to create an everyday wearable smoky eyeliner look. Hey guys, what's up? It is Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. This tutorial is an eyeshadow liner look that I've been doing every single time that I wear makeup, which recently hasn't been a lot, but it's just such an easy way to add a little bit of definition to the lash line without it looking too harsh. If you happen to be new to my channel, welcome. I'm a freelance makeup artist and licensed esthetician based out of Los Angeles. So if you enjoy these kind of quick and easy, simple makeup tutorials, then definitely consider subscribing. All right, let's get into it. We are going to be using the Milani Stay Put Waterproof Eyeliner. This is a great drugstore option. One thing that you want to make sure that you do before we get started, and this goes for any eyeliner that you're using, you want to make sure that it's sharpened. It makes such a big difference in the application itself. You want to make sure that you're looking down into a mirror so that you can see all of your eyelid real estate. And we're just going to go ahead and put the point right where your lashes are. You want to get it as close to the lashes as possible. And this can be kind of messy. Perfect. Next, you want to take this eyeliner brush. Now, this one's the e.l.f. small angled, and you want to use the bottom half of the bristles to blend this out. So you see I'm going to place it like this, and then we're going to go back and forth and work it into the lash line. I'm not even worried about this little whoopsie-doo that happened, because that's life. The most important thing is that it gets into the root of the lash. Amazing. So now I want to take a little bit of this darkness into this inner section of my eye right here. So I'm going to flip this brush and take it right in here. All right, next we're going to hop into some eyeshadow. I'm using the Milani Bold Obsessions palette, and we're going to go ahead and take this color right here, and I'm going to pick it up on the brush like this. We've already established that right next to the lash line is where we want the darkest pigment to be. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place this right above the base, right like this. This is seriously mistake proof, I mean it. Flip it on the other side, deposit the rest of that color. Awesome. I'm gonna take my finger or a Q-tip, and now do you see where the lines? So we've got our eyeliner right here, our eyeshadow right here, and then it just stops. What I wanna do is I wanna take my finger and I wanna blend that edge into nothingness. So I'm not using really any pressure, I'm just softening that edge. Awesome. All right, next what I wanna do is I wanna use the tip of the brush, and so I'm gonna go ahead and dip it into this brown and black here, tap off the excess, and I want to stamp it right where we put that initial eyeliner. And I want to get it as close to my lash line as possible. If for some reason it goes a little bit above, that's okay, because we've got that eyeshadow there. You can literally take a Q-tip and just soften it. You really kind of want to go up and under where your lashes meet. All right, next I'm just gonna curl my lashes and throw on some mascara. Let's go ahead and pop it on the other eye, but isn't that crazy, the difference? Go ahead and point it towards the lashes, because you wanna get it in the root as much as possible. But once again, it doesn't really matter because we're gonna smudge it out anyway. Using the brush at this kind of angle, so we're smudging with the bottom half so there's no product on the top half to really smudge it in. Lining it up, going back and forth. Once we get into this inner third, you want to turn the brush to get it at an angle. One thing that you also want to note is you don't want to put it on an eye and then put it on another eye and then try to smudge it. You want to smudge it right after you apply it. You have a little bit of wiggle room, but not that much. Next, we're gonna, remember, pick up on both sides. Okay, we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it not right along this. We're gonna take a little bit above. I'm gonna go back and forth. And it doesn't have to be necessarily this palette or this eyeliner. You can use this technique with anything. I just recommend that you use a shimmer to blend it out because it's gonna be a little bit of a softer finish. And all ages can wear shimmer. Now to get rid of that line, we're just gonna take our finger and don't put it on the bottom, don't put it in the middle, put it right on the top, just to soften it. Now we're gonna go back in and darken right along the lash line. I know it seems like an extra step because technically you could do all of this with eyeshadow, but when you start with a cream eyeliner and then pack an eyeshadow on top, you're gonna have a longer wear with it. And then we're gonna use it at the actual angle. And when you're using an angle brush, think about the direction that you're going. So you always wanna go with the direction of your eye. So like on the outside, I'm gonna go this way. But then when it goes to the center part, I'm gonna switch it because that's the way that our eyes are shaped. Alrighty, y'all, that is it for me for this week. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful for you, and let me know in the comment section below if there are other products from the drugstore that you think I should try. As always, there are more tips and tricks on Facebook and Instagram at MakeupByShannonMarie. I hope you're having a great week, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.